Hello everyone, and good morning from Savantis Excellence. Welcome to Module 7 Ethics, Safety, and Responsible AI. In this module, we explore why ethics and responsibility are essential to the safe and fair use of generative AI, especially as it impacts people, decisions, and society at large. You'll learn how bias in training data can lead to unfair results, why fairness requires audits and diverse inputs, and how hallucinations, false AI outputs, must be controlled. We'll also look at deepfakes and misinformation, showing how synthetic media threatens trust and how detection and regulation can help protect information integrity. Next, we cover who owns AI-generated content and how copyright law is adapting to creations made with code instead of brushes or instruments. We also touch on global AI regulations like the EU AI Act and India's digital policy, and why privacy, data protection, and cybersecurity are more important than ever. By the end, you'll understand the foundations of responsible AI, including transparency, accountability, inclusivity, and sustainability, and why ethics must guide innovation. Let's begin this essential journey into building AI that's not only smart, but safe, fair, and worthy of trust. Let's begin with bias in AI models. These models learn from historical data, and that data often contains societal biases. When this happens, AI can unfairly treat marginalized communities. For example, some facial recognition systems show higher error rates for women and people of color. To ensure fairness, we must audit AI algorithms and use diverse datasets. Algorithmic audits help us find discrepancies, and inclusive data helps prevent biased decisions. These actions build trust in AI systems across all demographics. Now let's talk about hallucinations. Sometimes, AI models generate confident but completely false information. These hallucinations can mislead users. That's why validating AI-generated content is crucial for credibility and trust. Deepfakes have emerged as a major challenge. These hyper-realistic videos or audio clips can misrepresent individuals and distort the truth. They blur the line between real and fake, causing widespread misinformation. The consequences of deepfakes are severe. They can damage reputations, manipulate elections, and even facilitate financial fraud. We need detection tools and regulations to address this growing threat. Now let's look at copyright and ownership. When AI creates content, who owns it? Is it the developer, the user, or the machine? These are tough questions that current laws are still trying to answer. We must also address IP infringement. AI can replicate existing works, raising legal concerns. It's important to create legal frameworks that balance innovation with protection of original content. Data privacy is another key concern. Regulations like GDPR require transparency in how personal data is collected and used. People must know their rights, like accessing or deleting their data. AI system breaches can expose sensitive data, leading to identity theft and loss of public trust. Strong cybersecurity practices and risk assessments are essential to prevent such incidents. So how do we build responsible AI? We follow key principles: transparency, accountability, inclusivity, and sustainability. These guide ethical development and deployment. Transparency and accountability mean explaining how AI decisions are made and who is responsible when something goes wrong. This strengthens trust and reliability. Inclusivity and sustainability ensure AI serves diverse communities and minimizes environmental impact. Diverse teams and energy-efficient design are key. Let's look at global regulations. The EU AI Act sets strict rules for high-risk AI systems. India's digital policy emphasizes privacy and fairness. These are steps toward safer, ethical AI worldwide. To conclude, ethical, safe, and responsible AI isn't just about code, it's about people. Let's build AI systems that are fair, secure, inclusive, and trustworthy. Thank you for watching.